Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Rogue Engineering doing a little unboxing video. So my name is John on Instagram, I'm Pardon Me. And here we have quite a collection of parts that Josh will be putting on tomorrow. Well, let's get started. And first, I'm gonna open up a box from CSF. Now here is, let me put this down. This is their oil cooler for the E46 M3. Let me get this foam piece off. There's one end. Now, here is the stock oil cooler. It only cools in one direction, then it takes this return line to go back into the motor. And let's see if I can lay this one up. And let me turn around the stock one. So you can see that there's quite a difference in volume. So for guys who either have, really high temperatures from, I don't know, you West Coast guys, where you guys see 100+ degrees, I don't know how you do it. Or when you're on the track, like guys like me, you'll stay incredibly cool. The stock one did a pretty okay job, but I'm also not the fastest driver. I will fully admit that being a novice driver on the track, the car is many times more capable than I am. But it will be installed tomorrow by Rogue and then filled with some Rova 10W60. Keeping with the trend of CSF, let's see what's in this box. Okie dokie, let me see if I can get this out without breaking it. This is CSF's all aluminum radiator for the E46 M3. And unlike, again, I apologize for the camera work. You can shout at me in the comments, that's okay. Let me lay this thing down. Again, terrible camera work. So the stock one has these end tanks are plastic, and they're prone to cracking, especially with guys that drive their cars hard. The heating and cooling doesn't do them very well. But this thing is beautiful. Josh from Rogue Engineering took the camera to help me out, so that way you didn't want to see me drop this nice new radiator. So Josh, thank you. And I got stickers. It's good for what? 15 horsepower?
At least.
At least. I'll be less slow. Okay. I really gotta hand it to the viewers for being so patient. I'm gonna cut my fingers. Before that would happen. Oh my god.
Look at that nice finish on there.
Isn't that beautiful?
Nice chrome. You see the reflection?
Let me see if I can get a light on there for the people. That's pretty. Versus that plastic OEM junk. Now Josh, you know a little bit about these, don't you?
Yeah, so this is a dual pass radiator.
Oop, it's upside down.
Yeah, there you go. You got that nice, oh, you got flashing. Went off.
Nope, it's still on.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, so basically this is going to give you a lot more cooling capacity because you have a lot more fluid capacity in it. It is very slightly heavier than the stock radiator, but the extra cooling capacity you get out of it is very worth it.
And it's no plastic in it.
No plastic,
So nothing
no cracking.
that'll crack with heat cycling. So
All the
this is
mounting
beautiful.
points are the same, so it's just a straight drop in.
Yeah, no cutting, right? No
Yeah,
cutting.
no cutting, nothing.
Just bolts right in.
It's just, stock fit.
Beautiful. Awesome. Now let's see what else is in the other boxes. Keeping with the theme of cooling, we have something here from Moroso Performance. There you go. We have this beautiful E46 M3 expansion tank, which is fully aluminum in construction. And the plus side to this is that the stock expansion tank, like the end tanks on the radiator, is plastic. So a lot of heating and cooling, especially with track use, will end up in, well, failure. So it'll crack, and that's not good. So Moroso Performance, These are now back in stock. I'm gonna put all the links to all these parts in the description of this video so that you guys can find them and decide if you would like to also order them. But Moroso, awesome company, located in Connecticut. So this will also be put on the car by the man holding the camera. So in this box from ECS Tuning, we have Turner Motorsport catch can. So quite in-depth kit, gives you everything that you could possibly need. Again, the description will be in the link. Mounting bracket for the catch can. I believe this is that can. See, Turner Motorsports. And here is, that's some Allen keys. Nice and clean. It says Turner on the top. No bright colors, so, you know, really low profile piece. And there you go. This is really, really nicely done. The finish is nice and even.
We'll lube that up a little bit.
Yeah, we'll edit that out. So I'm actually not gonna scratch this. Now, speaking of Turner parts, the last video, well, 2 videos ago, I put up the sunroof on the car. So if you guys want, go look back through the channel. We installed the Turner Motorsports carbon fiber sunroof delete panel. So this is the really exciting part. Not that everything else here isn't impressive and very much necessary for a track build, but I just got these. So these are from StopTech, clearly. And these are their new 355 millimeter bi-slotted rotors. Now what that does is that gives you more initial bite when you begin braking. And as I go through 8 layers of plastic, talk amongst yourselves. Now I have chosen to do 355 mil rotors front and back because it really doesn't unbalance the car, because I have 6 pots in the rear for calipers, and no, I have 4 pots in the rears, sorry, 6 pots in the front, so that's what will keep me balanced. But these are big old rotor.
That's a big boy.
That is a big rotor. Oh my goodness. They're even prettier out of the box. But here, if I can make room. Now this is their Trophy R caliper in their nickel finish. Got a little dirt on it. And carbonite detailing. Just this past week, put a nice coat of Adams Polishes graphene ceramic coat to keep them nice and clean, to ensure that I can keep them clean, because they're going to get very dirty. Now, Josh, the Trophy calipers do make pad changes easier too, don't they?
Yeah, so basically what you're going to do to change pads on this is take out these 4 guide pins or screws.
Okay.
And you're just going to slide the pad right out the back of the caliper.
So right out of this?
Yep. You're going to take this guard off and take the pad right out the back, and that makes it really easy. You don't have to take the caliper off. You just slide the pads out.
So that means I could then drive down on these 3 pads and swap them out once they cool and put in the track pads that are in this box. Just nice and easy.
Yep,
Caliper doesn't
nice
have
and
to come
simple.
off. Well, that's fantastic. So this setup right here, very excited for. StopTech. I'm gonna put the link to their website as well. The car also has currently their OEM size cryo-treated slotted rotors, which I tracked on last year. And to be honest, I had no real issues. So whether you want a big brake kit, or you want to stay OEM, but you want, you know, a good quality rotor, StopTech's your guys. These are them right there. If anyone has any questions, you can either contact them. Their customer service is flawless. Or if you want, you can DM me and I'll do whatever I can for you. So that's everything for the car. the car should be done sometime this week. I'm gonna have this video up ASAP. I would like to thank all of you for watching and bearing with me while I struggle to open up boxes, which is always fun. And I will see you in the next video. So be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.